This is a common condition that can affect many plants. In many cases, this problem is associated with Chamaepsila rosae, commonly known as the carrot fly. You may notice signs like in furrows affected by carrot fly larvae, larval droppings can accumulate and cause discoloration in damaged plant tissues. As the larvae begin feeding, the tips of the roots may become discolored, even during the early stages of infestation. When seedlings are heavily infested, they may die. Severe infestations can interfere with water movement through the plant, eventually causing the affected plants to wilt. Adult carrot flies are approximately 4 to 5 millimeters long and have yellow heads, legs, and antennae. Their larvae are about 0.5–0.7 millimeters long, with a bright yellowish-white appearance. This condition often appears when carrot flies overwinter as pupae approximately 5 to 8 centimeters beneath the soil surface. The first generation emerges from the soil in spring, while the second generation becomes active from late summer and may continue until the first frost. A few natural methods that may help include covering carrot beds with protective netting can help prevent carrot flies from reaching and attacking the plants. When the problem becomes more serious, treatments such as the following may be used. Applying an appropriate insecticide containing lambda-cyhalothrin can help control carrot fly populations. Always follow the product label and local regulations when using pesticides. To minimize the chances of this happening again, choose carrot varieties that are less susceptible to infestation. Practice proper crop rotation to reduce pest populations in the soil. Use fine mesh protective netting to prevent adult carrot flies from reaching the plants. To sum up, small tunnels containing fly larval droppings may appear in damaged plant tissues. Root tips can become discolored, and severely affected seedlings may die prematurely. Subscribe for more tips about plant health and care.